Tired of your sink looking like a never-ending dish mountain? If you want a compact, powerful way to clean up your kitchen routine, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the best countertop dishwashers that save space, save time, and actually get your dishes spotless. I'll walk you through the top picks, what makes each one worth it, and which model fits your lifestyle. All the products we mention are linked in the description below, so you can check them out whenever you are ready. Let's jump in. Ever have one of those weeks where the dishes stack up faster than your energy to deal with them? That is where this compact little helper saves the day. It sits on your counter, looks clean with its white finish, and somehow fits full 10.5-inch plates, even though it barely takes up space. You can either fill the built-in 6-liter tank or hook it to the faucet, so setup is painless. Inside, you get 5 wash programs plus 2 handy extras. The hygiene mode blasts temps up to 192 degrees, and the UV system handles anything left over. The door even pops open at the end to help everything dry faster with its built-in fan. It runs around 60 decibels, so not silent, but not something that will drown out a show either. Real-world use feels simple. Touch controls make it easy, and you save water since it only uses about 6 liters per load. Some people say the size is perfect for apartments, while others wish it fit pots and pans. The window is a nice touch for checking progress. Expected pricing floats around $300, which feels fair for something that cuts dish duty in half every single day. Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher. Think about the last time you tried to cook and suddenly realized the sink was already full. This compact dishwasher jumps in exactly for moments like that. It has a small footprint but enough space inside for 4 place settings and plates up to about 10 inches. The clear glass door lets you watch everything swirl around, which is oddly calming. You can fill the 5-liter tank manually or run it through the faucet, so it works even in tight kitchens. 5 wash programs cover everyday needs, and the strong spray arms do a better job on greasy dishes than you would expect from a tiny machine. Touch controls sit right on top, keeping everything simple. In daily use, it has a quiet personality at around 50 decibels, and the drying feature helps prevent that damp smell tabletop washers sometimes leave. People say it cleans surprisingly well for the price and size, though of course big pots are not going in here. Loading small bowls and cups fits easily, and the funnel makes filling fast. Most stores listed in the $300 range. For small apartments, dorms, or RVs, it is an easy upgrade that saves time every single day. Danby Countertop Dishwasher. Picture coming home after dinner out and seeing yesterday's dishes still waiting. This is the kind of machine that makes that problem disappear. It is larger than many countertop models, offering space for 6 place settings and running 8 different wash cycles. The stainless steel interior gives it a sturdy feel, and the quick connect faucet setup keeps installation simple. You get a delay start option if you want it to run overnight, and water use is low at just over 3 gallons per normal cycle. In real use, it handles tough dishes better than expected, especially on the intensive mode. Many people mention it runs quieter than older models they have owned, though full-size plates might not fit depending on how they angle them. Operation through the LED panel feels straightforward, and the unit holds temperature well. It is heavier than the smaller machines, but it also performs closer to a built-in dishwasher. Some long-term users point out durability concerns, but others say theirs has held up well. Pricing usually lands in the mid-$400 zone. If you want a countertop machine that behaves like a real dishwasher with more room and stronger cycles, this one delivers consistently. Magic Chef Countertop Dishwasher. You ever finish cooking, look at the mess, and immediately lose the motivation to eat? This dishwasher helps with that moment. It has 6 place settings, 6 wash programs, and a simple digital display that makes choosing a cycle quick. The stainless interior feels solid, and the included quick connect fittings make faucet hookup smooth. There is a delay start option for up to 24 hours, and the removable filter is easy to clean. During daily use, it does a great job tackling dried-on food. People often mention how surprisingly quiet it is, especially in small apartments where noise can be a deal breaker. The drying system uses residual heat, so dishes come out dry enough to put away without much waiting. The trade-off is capacity. While everyday plates and cups fit fine, large cookware will not. It weighs more than some tabletop models, so once it is placed, you will probably leave it there. The LED indicators help track each stage of the cycle without confusion. Overall, the wash quality is consistently strong for a countertop size. Prices usually fall in the mid-range for compact dishwashers. If you want reliable cleaning without a lot of features you never touch, this one keeps things simple. Midea Countertop Dishwasher. If you have ever tried washing baby bottles, pacifiers, and regular dishes all at once, you know the struggle. This compact machine solves that with a special baby care mode that uses high heat and a dedicated bottle holder. It has 5 wash programs, plus an extended drying option that leaves everything ready to use. The dual drying system boosts performance, and the glass door makes monitoring easy. One of its biggest strengths is water savings. The built-in tank only needs around 1.3 gallons, which is far less than hand washing the same load. You can fill it manually or attach it to the faucet using the included hose. For small kitchens, that flexibility is a big plus. Many people note how quiet it runs and how easy the setup feels. The cleaning power is strong for its size, though it is not meant for large pans or heavy stacks of dishes. The design keeps things compact and clean-looking. Controls are simple push buttons, and the cycles are short enough to fit into a busy day. Pricing varies by retailer but stays competitive with other portable dishwashers. For families who want dependable washing in a small footprint, especially for children's items, this model stands out. Hava Countertop Dishwasher. Imagine trying to keep a tiny kitchen clean while cooking every meal at home. That is exactly where this compact dishwasher takes over. Despite its size, it handles up to 4 place settings and fits 11-inch plates when loaded at an angle. The built-in 5-liter water tank lets you set it anywhere, or you can connect it to the faucet. 6 wash programs cover everything from quick rinses to a heavy cycle that reaches 167 degrees for baby items and greasy dishes. One of the best features is the drying mode, which combines an hour of hot air with 72 hours of ventilation to keep everything fresh between washes. People often mention how clean dishes come out, even when they skip pre-scrubbing. It runs at around 60 decibels, so not silent but still comfortable in small living spaces. Water use is low, around a quarter of what hand washing takes. The fruit basket is a fun bonus, making it easy to rinse produce. Loading feels smart thanks to the angled tray and cutlery holder. Pricing typically lands in the high $200 range. For couples, small apartments, or RVs, it brings convenience without taking over your counter. Novete Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Think about the last time you cooked a full meal and suddenly realized the sink was now overflowing. This dishwasher handles that stress with a surprisingly roomy interior for its size. It supports 4 place settings and fits 12-inch plates when angled. There are 5 wash modes, including a baby care cycle that hits high temps for bottles and oily dishes. After each wash, a 60-minute hot air dry kicks in automatically, followed by long ventilation to keep dishes fresh until you grab them. The double-layer window and built-in light let you watch everything working inside. Daily use feels straightforward thanks to the touch panel and automatic water level indicator. You can fill the 5-liter tank manually or connect to a faucet if you prefer continuous water. Many people note how well it cleans for such a small machine and how quiet it stays during cycles. It will not fit your oversized pans, but for regular plates, bowls, utensils, and small cookware, it handles full loads. Speed mode finishes in under half an hour for quick turnarounds. Pricing usually sits around the upper $200 to low $300 mark. For small homes or 2-person households, it delivers strong performance without taking over your space. Thanks for watching. If you found the best countertop dishwasher for your kitchen, hit like and subscribe for more smart home guides. Got questions or want a review on another appliance? Drop a comment. All product links are in the description below. See you in the next one.